Hi, welcome to the Kaggle TFUG Kaggle Campaign Challenge 2. And these are competitions hosted by TFUGs and sponsored by Google developers. The first two prize winners will receive Google Cloud credits sponsored by Google developers. And the way the competition works is we are trying to predict steam turbine electricity generation. So this is how you'll have a steam turbine condenser and steam generator and electric generator. We'll have to predict the amount of electricity which is being generated. And so this is about the data set. We have a training data set, test data set, and a sample submission file. Training data set contains the fields on which you need to train the model and you need to make predictions on the test data set. Sample submission file contains the way you should submit it to Kaggle, the format in which you need to make submission to the Kaggle. So the training data set contains all these features. The target variable is going to be your output generator, which is the amount of electricity which is generated by steam turbine. The other fields are each row as a unique ID, and you also have when the observation was made, which hour the observation was made, which minute the observation was made, and you also have motion of carbon and motion of feed water, and also certain statistics related to vapor. And now let's head on to how to solve this problem. And let's see a sample notebook here. So to solve this problem first, you need to put all the packages and then do an exploratory data analysis. You can use Pandas library for reading the data set and converting it into a data frame. The first thing is you'll see the distribution of target variable and how it is distributed. And you can also do a basic EDA on the data set and check if there are any missing values. If there are any missing values, you can use any imputation techniques like KNN imputer or mean value imputation to impute the values. And once you impute the values, you can do certain feature engineering techniques like converting the categorical variables into numerical variables. And once you do that, you can also build a basic pipeline, like you can use light GBM regressor or CAD boost regressor and other regressor techniques. And you can build a basic pipeline. You can also do a certain hyperparameter tuning techniques, like you can use Optuna or other hyperparameter techniques, and to tune your hyperparameters of the model. And finally, you can try ensembling techniques to ensemble several models which you have built, and that might give you a better boost your score. And once you have solved the problem with your CSV file, you'll have to click on Submit Predictions, upload your CSV file, and click on Submit. You can make a max of 5 submissions per day, but at the end of the competition, you'll have to choose only 2 submissions for your final ranking. And you can form teams of sizes 3 and participate in the competitions, and the first 2 place winners will be given cloud credits. So this is about Kaggle Campaign Challenge 2. And with us, we have come to the end of the presentation. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.